Good evening once again. I'm here to share a few words about the demands that the people of the state of Tripura, the owner of the land of Tripura, known to be as Tiprasa, the soil land, the owner of the land of Tripura, is crying out today. And their demand of their crying is about the Kokborok to be written as Roman script. I want to give in this message to our Honorable Prime Minister of India. And I want to few questions I have in my mind that, sir, is it a crime? Is it a crime to write an exam or an answer sheet, a Kokborok subject with a Roman script? Is it a crime? That's what my question is. And if it is crime, how it is crime? Let me know. You are talking about the education, you are talking about the development of this country, and our people in Tripura are facing these challenges, and they are not allowed to write their own convenience way to write in the exams. And they are being forcefully to write with other language which they are not familiar with. And they're destroying the life of our generation. They're destroying the life of our students, upcoming generations. And they are bound, and they are making their life ruined because they are not able to answer the questions. They are not aware of Bengali scripts. That's why they are demanding that so that they can give the best for the exam. If you are trying to spoil the life of the students, I think you are not doing right. This is my message to our Honorable Prime Minister of India. This is my humble request to you, sir. Please listen the cry and our demand. And you have put it recently. You have changed from Raj Bhavan to Lok Bhavan. Why you have put a Lok Bhavan? You have put Lok Bhavan because you have given the rights to speak to the citizens. It should be the people, and the government is for the people. The government is for the people, right? The state government is for the people. And if the people of the state is demanding that they are familiar with the Roman script, then why are you against that? That is better not to keep Lok Bhavan. You give Raj Bhavan. You are taking as a Raj. You are ruling out. You are trying to rule. You are trying to do in your own way. You are not trying to hear the cry. You are not trying to understand. You are not trying to understand the emotional. You are not trying to understand the needs that we are fighting for. I don't know what is the meaning you all are putting on. It's really a shame. If this keep on going, one day it will be like that the direction might change. And this is a humble request. Please do not take it into wrong direction. Please do not make us forcefully to do something wrong. We are still requesting the government, and we are still requesting the state of Tripura, the chief minister, to hear our cry and listen the demand that people are asking for. This is my concern. Look the video which I'm going to show now. What other citizens are fighting for and why they are crying out. Please watch these videos once.
हमारा डिमांड क्लियर है कि तिपरासा को अपना स्क्रिप्ट चूज करने का अधिकार है. कोई बोल नहीं सकता हमको क्या चूज करना चाहिए, क्या एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए. हमारा अधिकार है कि हम जिस मर्जी में भी कौन सा स्क्रिप्ट चूज करें, वो हमारा संवैधानिक अधिकार है. कोई बाहर के लोग, कोई नॉन तिपरासा हमको बता नहीं सकता है कि हमको कौन से स्क्रिप्ट में अपना परीक्षा देना है या लिखना है.
और रैली दिनै विशेष खालाय सिनि डिमांड सिनि कक माने कक रोमान स्क्रिप्ट न जों सुइनानै थांखानिवा रोमान स्क्रिप्ट बाय सुइनाय होनायनाय जों 1967 इसमि PUJS ते DSF assignment ismino o dabino khai phemani tamane homale tabok sudano oro haste haphang rok borok o roman script no goshewi maya goshegnaya.
Good evening everyone. Jotono Sarikaha. In 1812-2025 ang Ignace Suchoy, Tripura Ucha Youth Association in General Secretary. And for knowledge, Uchi community is one out of 9 Kokborok speaking communities, and we don't like to step back. when it's time to demand for the good cause. The good cause is demand of Roman script for Kokborok language. Tini chung homchan rally khele ha, and then all homchan rally no successful khainani boy chini uchi brothers and sister je support khaidona no khabe khat sama jafa. Other than uchi brothers and sisters across the country who supported this demand of Roman script for Kokborok.
DSF on andron thaya sung kan saya sung samani sung chief minister malaika kok saka discussion thaya kintu sung luka chief minister statement tabu nadi sung of question no jeta suna namani sung chief minister joto minister tonglero no cabinet minister no suna namu as a citizen sung youth sung ka guardian society ni because we are the future sung guardian bongnai sung decision sini nanang kintu tini sung luka je government jada ruling government borok tabo bono solution khlai so sung andron khlayu kintu tai solution ngabo government sung tai amai sung government of Tripura no sung government yang te sung horo tai public bo suna nangnai mo haike no asak andron khai dong Tripura sarok kintu tabo solution ningya tai solution khaya karon sung no body ro horo boro no borok asui tongi nangnya kok sana niya sini development ni bagi language development ni bagi kok saya borok abo clear message na nangnai je tabo minister tongnai rok rab especially ruling party borno boror cheng cheng na tongi rohya borno Tiprasa bai kok sari Tiprasa bai our language our rights our rights our rights our language our rights our rights our rights our language our rights our rights our rights we want Roman script we want Roman script Tiprasa Roman script to the world. 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 Our language, our rights. Our language, our rights. Our language, our rights. Our language, our rights. We want Roman script. Roman script. Roman script. Roman Jalika. We want Roman script. We want Roman script. Our language, our right. Our right, our right. No justice, no rest. No rest, no rest. No. Roman script. Hatai, hatai. Roman script. Hapu, hapu. Roman script. Hatai, hatai. Roman script. Hapu, hapu. Roman script. Tiprasa ne korra raste teta tunde. Tiprasa ne sentiment baca tunde. Tiprasa ne sentiment baca tunde. Lord Tiprasa.
In the state and the national, I request all those who are in the higher authority, this rally should be the fight to create and to give chance to the students who are already habituated with Roman script.
This demand not only speaks about the Roman script, these demands also reflect the true culture of the Tiprasa. We call it home chang. Home means it's fire. Chang is a stand of the fire, where we put the fire on the stand. And this not only give the message to all the nations, also giving message to the other nations that we stand unity. The light represents the unity. The light represents overcoming the darkness, bringing brightness to the darkness. And we are representing that we don't want to be in darkness anymore. We are being taken control by the migrated people who have come from other country, and they are ruling our states, and they have taken all our rights, our land, our jobs and everything, and we don't want them to ruin, to use by their Bengali scripts. We respect, we are not saying that we hate, we respect the language, but we are not familiar with the language. That's why we have demand that please try to hear our cry. We are demanding, let our children, our education students who have really opted for Kokborok as our mother tongue, it is our mother tongue, please let them to appear in their own choice. There should be an optional to write the answer sheet of the upcoming exams, board exams, or maybe in any job exams using Roman script. That will help and that will encourage every one of us, and we will appreciate that this message that you have taken it into concern, and we look forward that you will likely hear. This is my humble request once again. Through this message, I want to convey once again that please try to understand the demand of the owner of the land of Tiprasa, who are demanding to write their Kokborok in a Roman script letter. With this message, it is also with this video, with this demand, it is a recalling to rethink once again the government of Tripura, the government of India, to once again rethink that before we go to the wrong directions, let us work with unity, understand the needs, and resolve this problem as early as possible. This is my humble request with this message. I truly believe that you will rethink and you will come with a good solutions. Instead of ruling us, try to understand the demand of the state of Tripura. Thank you.